The R1 chip takes all the sensors embedded into the VisionPro to create real-time 3D mapping and precise head, hand, and eye tracking to dramatically reduce motion sickness. The US SEC alleges that Binance and its CEO Changpeng Zhao blatantly disregarded federal law and enriched themselves while placing investors' assets at significant risk and will be seeking fines, disgorgement of ill-gotten gains with interest, and injunctions. Apple's augmented reality headset, the Apple Vision Pro, will launch early next year starting at $3,499. The headset seamlessly blends the real and digital world. It doesn't need any controllers. Users control the device using their eyes, hands, and voice. Users who wear glasses can purchase optical inserts made by Zeiss. The Apple Vision Pro uses an M2 chip and includes a new chip called the R1. Many more details about the headset are available in the article along with photos and videos. Apple's new 15-inch MacBook Air is 11.5 mm thick and weighs 3.3 pounds. It is 12 times faster than the fastest Intel-based MacBook Air. The fanless MacBook Air features an M2 chip, a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a 3-microphone array, a 6-speaker system, a battery that can last 18 hours on a single charge, MagSafe, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. It comes in 4 colors and starts at $1,299. Pre-orders for the MacBook Air 15-inch are now open, with deliveries beginning next week. CSS Blend Modes provide an easy and powerful way to create visually interesting designs. They allow developers to manipulate how elements interact with each other. CSS Blend Modes offer similar capabilities to photo editing software for manipulating the appearance of elements. This article uses the Tailwind framework to show what CSS Blend Modes can do. All examples apply to regular CSS. Mercury allows users to build web apps in Jupyter notebooks using only Python. It enables users to add interactive widgets in Python notebooks so they can share results without rewriting notebooks to web frameworks. Mercury can be used to create interactive presentations, build data-rich dashboards, create reports, and more. iOS 17 includes new safety features, a built-in journaling app, a new nightstand mode, redesigned contact cards, better autocorrect and voice transcription, and live voicemail. Users will be able to search through messages using filter searchers and additional terms, and a new feature called Check-in allows users to share their location and status with someone else and automatically send a message when the user arrives home. Stickers and AirDrop also received updates. More details about what's new in iOS 17 are available in the article. Spectrum 4, the world's first high-performance Ethernet switch for AI, can route 128 ports of 400 gigabit Ethernet or 64 ports of 800 gigabit Ethernet without dropping packets. The Learning Path guides students through a curated collection of content on generative AI products, from the fundamentals to how to create and deploy generative AI solutions. A late-stage study led by researchers at Yale University showed that taking the drug osimertinib after lung cancer surgery reduced the risk of patients dying by 51%. The study looked at whether the drug could help patients with non-small cell lung cancer, the most common form of the disease. Everyone in the trial had a gene mutation found in about a quarter of global lung cancer cases. Earlier trials of the drug showed that it also halves the risk of a recurrence of the disease. A new study has found that a commonly used eye drop could help slow the progression of nearsightedness in children. The eye drop is used to dilate pupils before eye exams. Children in the study who used the eye drops at bedtime had slower myopia progression than those who received a placebo, resulting in a lower prescription for glasses. Few side effects were reported. Some of Reddit's biggest communities are planning to set themselves to private on June 12 over the site's new API pricing. The protest is planned to go on for 48 hours, but some subreddits will go away permanently until the issue is adequately addressed. Reddit's new API pricing will mean that many third-party apps will no longer be able to operate. Many subreddit moderators rely on third-party apps to manage their communities, and the loss of these apps will significantly impact their ability to moderate efficiently. A link to a complete list of the communities taking part in the protest is available in the article. A large number of moderators, curators, and users from around Stack Overflow and Stack Exchange initiated a global moderation strike on June 5 in protest of recent and upcoming changes to policy and the platform regarding AI-generated content. A look at some of the technology behind the VisionPro from someone who spent 3.5 years helping develop the headset.